Hello students, today I came for class 11th. As you know, we are studying Boolean algebra. Today I will teach you basic logic gates. First of all, I would like to tell you where these logic gates are used. In computer and in digital devices, Boolean operations are performed by logic gates. After using the logic gates in the switching circuit by the Shannon, scientists realized that these logic gates can be also used in computers as well as in all types of digital devices. So this concept spreads the application of logic gates in computer as well as in all types of digital devices. Now let us see the definition of logic gate. You can find the different definition in the different books. I am going to explain a common definition that is very simple and will help you. A logic gate is a basic electronic circuit which operates on one or more input signals, and produces only one output signal. Only NOT gate that has only one input and one output, and all other logic gates has one or more input signals and produces only one output signal. In simple way, we can say a logic gate is an electronic circuit that has more than one input terminals and only one output terminals. These logic gates are also known as logic circuit. Why these are known as logic circuits? Because they can be analyzed with the Boolean logics. What are the Boolean logics? Boolean operations, that is AND operation, OR operation, NOT operation, like that. Now let us see the classification of logic gates. Let us see the classification of logic gates. You can say it types of logic gates. Logic gates are divided into several categories. Now let us see how these are divided in different categories. Basically, logic gates are divided into three parts. First, basic logic gates. We can say it primary logic gate. Second, exclusive logic gate. And third, universal logic gate or derived logic gate. Basic logic gates are those logic gates whose operations are proved in himself. They do not require any other logic to prove their operations. Alright? Universal logic gates are those logic gates that is derived or constructed with the help of basic logic gates. Similarly, for exclusive logic gates, these logic gates are also derived with the help of basic logic gates, but there is some special condition in their output operations. So these are known as exclusive logic gate. Now let us see one by one. The definition of all logic gate is same except NOT logic gate. NOT logic gate is a logic gate that has only one input terminal and one output terminal, and all logic gates have can have one or more input terminals and only one output terminals. So from this point of view, the definition of all logic gates will be same. So no need to give their definition. Now we will study some points. To study the behavior of all these logic gates, properties of all logic gates, we split it into different points such as definition, logic symbol, I mean first definition, second logic symbol, third truth table, four Boolean expression, etc. I have studied definition. So about these logic gates we will study logic symbol, truth table and Boolean expressions. Students, to understand the properties, working function, behavior of basic logic gate, we will study 3 points: logic symbol, truth table and Boolean expression. First logic symbol, second truth table and third is the Boolean expression. Definition I have told you, so I am not including the definition part in this. Mention 3 points in all. First logic symbol. AND gate is represented by this symbol. These are its input and this is a output. For 2 inputs, its truth table will be like this. Output will produce 1 when all inputs are 1. The output of AND gate will be 1, will be high if value of all input will be 1. Otherwise, its output will be false or 0 or low. The Boolean expression of AND gate is output y is equal to A dot B. It means this is the AND operation. AND operation is represented by symbol dot. Alright. Now let us see for OR logic gate. Symbol of OR logic gate is this curved line. These are its input and this is output y. Truth table for 2 inputs A and B will be this. C, its output column. The output of OR gate will be 1 if any input is 1. If any input, it will produce output 0 if all inputs are 0. These are the important points, so I am explaining for you. The symbol of OR logic operation is plus. So its expression will be y is equal to A plus B. Now let us say NOT logic gate. The symbol of NOT logic gate is like this, triangle and bubble here. Input and this is the output. Truth table, I have told you, it has only one input. Truth table will be like this. If input is 0, then output will be 1. If input is 1, then output will be 0. It means it reverses the input value at the output end. Its Boolean expression will be y is equal to A bar or A complement. Students, I will continue these topics in the next video. Thank you.